Hi children, the work we are going to do today is in your English workbook, page number 50. Right, so let's see what we have to do. Doing words, past simple tense. Now you remember I explained this lesson to you from the pupils book. So now we are doing it in a workbook. Okay, right. Some doing words tell us what people, animals and things did in the past. We make these doing words like this, the verb family name plus ed. So the verb family name, if it's need, we add ed, then the word becomes needed, right? So this is how the word will be used. We needed money to get food. So you know when we say doing words, it's verbs, no? Verbs is doing words, it's an action, no? So we see that if we want to put this into past tense, that means past tense, what is past tense? Past tense is something we have done in the past, that we have done and finished, no? We have done and finished. So we see it's the past tense. Okay, now see the note they have given us. This is the simple past tense. Okay, so it's the simple past tense. Okay, right. Now let's see the next one. Underline the doing words in each sentence. So they want us to underline the doing words, no? Right, so let's see. The first one, Jack and his mother needed food. So what is the doing word here? The word needed, no? Needed. So we will underline the word needed. Then the second one, Jack walked to the market. So what is the doing word or the verb here? It's the word walked, no? We see that it's an action. So we'll underline the word walk. Then the third one, the old man looked at the cow. So what is the doing word or the verb here? Is the word looked. So we'll underline the word looked. Then the next one, fourth sentence, Jack swapped the cow for some beans. Jack swapped the cow for some beans. So what is the doing word here? It's the word swapped, no? The word swap. So we will underline the word swap. Right. Then the fifth one, Jack's mother shouted at him. So what is the doing word or the action here? It's the word shouted. Okay, so we will underline the word shouted. Right? Okay, now let's see the next one. Now they have given us a small note. They have said the first one is done for you. Okay, so let's see. Do the word sums. Make the doing words. So we have done this word sums before, isn't it? I hope you remember. We did it in our past lessons, how we do this, the doing sums, no? They give us one word plus and another word. So we add those two together and we make a word. Okay, right. So the first one, to look. To look in the past tense, it becomes looked. No? Now we are writing all these words in past tense. To shout. Then what do? We add the first word plus ed. To shout is shouted. Then the third one, to plant. So we see that we have to add plant and ed, then it becomes planted. Then to mix, it becomes mixed. And then to play, the word becomes played. No, these are all we are writing in past tense. That means it's something that we have done and finished. It's in the past. Okay, right. So let's go to see. Use the doing words in a sentence of your own. Use this doing word in a sentence of your own. So they have given us a word. No, they want us to write a sentence on your own. The word wanted. They want you to use in a sentence the word wanted and for you to write a sentence. I am sure you can do that. That's easy. No, where you can write the word wanted. Okay, children, right. So we'll go to the next page as well. So we can complete this lesson. Page number 51. Right. Let's see what they want us to do. Write descriptions. Now even this similar lesson like this, children, we did before, isn't it? I hope you remember in one of the lessons where we had to use as many describing words and we had to write about the picture. So they want us to describe the first one is Jack. the second picture his mother, and the third picture is his home, no, their home. So here in the note above they say use as many describing words as you can. So a describing word, you know what a describing word is. I hope you remember that lesson. So where they are telling us to use as many describing words as possible. Okay, right. So tell me, what can you write for the first one? Jackie is, you can write Jackie is a short boy. He has short hair. Then you can write he has big ears, right, like that. Then about his mother also you can write his mother, Jack's mother is tall, she is a little fat. Then you can write she has long hair. So you can see the describing words, you know, long, short, big, those are all describing words. Then for the house, what can you write? It is a old house. Then you can say its doors are broken. Then you can see it has its walls are red in color, right, like that. You can write about these three pictures using describing words. So I hope you know what these describing words are. Like I told you before, we have done this in a previous lesson. Okay children, so this is the work for today. It's not difficult because we have to complete the lesson so that we can start our next lesson. Okay children, so till I connect with you next, bye.